Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Padmapani Tribhuvan. In this video, I'm going to discuss Uniform Cost Search Algorithm. Uniform Cost Search Algorithm is an uninformed search algorithm. Uninformed search means that the searching strategies have no additional information beyond that is provided in the problem definition. Uninformed search is also called as blind search. In the video of BFS algorithm, we have discussed that BFS is optimal when all step costs are equal because it always expands the shallowest unexpanded node. If you haven't watched that video, then I will request you to watch that video first. Its link is provided in the description box. Instead of expanding the shallowest node like BFS, Uniform Cost Search algorithm expands the node n with the lowest path cost g of n. This is done by using the priority queue data structure. In priority queue, the element which has the highest priority is popped or dequeued first from the queue. So to understand how this algorithm works, we will see one example. Consider this graph. It represents state space of a problem. In this graph, A is the initial state, G1, G2 and G3 are goal states. To find which node should be expanded next, priority queue is used. So here we will have node along with its path cost G of n. Path cost G of n of node n is the cost to reach node n from initial state. Initial state will be the root node of the search tree and it will be added to the priority queue with its path cost. Path cost of node A from node A will be 0. Then element will be popped from the queue. So A will be popped. Then it will be checked whether A is goal state or not. A is not goal state, so it will be expanded further. There are 3 adjacent nodes to A, node B, node C and node D. Path cost of node B is 1. Path cost of C is 3 and path cost of D is 2. These 3 nodes will be added to priority queue along with their path cost. Now A is expanded, so one node will be popped from the queue. As priority queue is used, node with lowest path cost will be popped. So here B is having the lowest path cost, so it will be popped from the queue. B is not goal state, so it will be expanded. There are 3 nodes adjacent to B, node A, node E and node D. As A is visited, we will not consider node A. D is already into queue, but still we will consider it because it may be possible that we will get a path to D which is having lower path cost. Path cost of E is 2 and path cost of D is 5. Now these 2 nodes will be added to priority queue. But node B is already into the queue, so its path cost will be updated if it is lower than the one which is already stored into the queue. But here there is no need to update the path cost of D. Now we got 2 paths to D from A. One is direct path from A and other one is path through node B. The path which is having the highest path cost out of these 2 will be called as a dead path. It will not be considered for the further search as it will not give us the optimal solution. Now B is expanded, so one node will be popped from the queue. Now there are 2 nodes with the same path cost, so we will follow alphabetical order and we will expand node D. Node D has 6 adjacent nodes, node A, node B, node C, node E, node F and node G1. A and B are already visited or expanded, so node C, E, F and G1 will be considered. Nodes C and E are already into the queue, so their path cost can be updated. Node F is added to the priority queue and node G1 will be added to the priority queue. Now one node will be popped from the queue. E is the node with the lowest path cost, so E will be popped from the queue. The E will be expanded as it is not a goal state. There are 4 adjacent nodes to node E. These are node B, node D, node F and node G2. B and D are already visited or expanded, so only F and G2 will be considered. F is already into the queue, so its path cost will be checked. And node G2 will be added to the priority queue. The next node will be popped from the queue. C is the node with the lowest path cost, so it will be popped. C is not a goal state, so it will be expanded further. There are 3 adjacent nodes to C, node A, node D and node G1. A and D are already expanded or visited, so G1 will be considered. G1 is already into the queue and we got path with lower path cost, so its path cost will be updated. Next node will be popped now. F is the node with the lowest path cost, so it will be popped out. It is not goal state, so it will be expanded further. It has 5 adjacent nodes, node D, node E, node G1, node G2 and node G3. D and E are already visited or expanded, so G1, G2 and G3 will be considered. Path cost of G1 will be updated. There is no need to update path cost of G2 and G3 will be added to priority queue. Next node will be popped now. G2 is the node with the lowest path cost, so it will be popped. G2 is a goal state. So now, using uniform cost search algorithm, we have searched path from initial state A to a goal state G2. So by using uniform cost search algorithm, we got path A, B, E, G2 and the path cost is 4. Uniform cost search guarantees optimality. So this is all about uniform cost search algorithm. I hope this video will help you to understand the concept of uniform cost search. Thank you for watching this video. Next video will be uploaded soon. Till then, being passionate learner, keep learning.